Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mindset Solution. Today we are going to discuss a very important question from Indian legal and constitutional history. So the question is, discuss the causes of dispute between the Supreme Court of Calcutta 1770-74 and the executive. So before discussing question, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. So now let's move to the answer. So the answer is the main causes of the conflict between the Supreme Court of Calcutta and the executive, that means Governor General in Council, in 1774 was the ambiguity and conflict over the jurisdiction. While the court claimed that the right to prosecute company official personally, the company viewed this judicial intervention as a threat to its administrative control. This led to the clashes in significant cases such as the Nand Kumar case and Kasijura cases, disrupting disrupting the company operations, a situation exacerbated by the lack of clarity in Regulating Act of 1773. In short, we can say this was a judiciary versus executive conflict where the court felt that it had the right to administer justice over everyone, and the company felt that the court was interfering in its administration and control of the territory, which ultimately led to the Bengal Judicature Act of 1781, which limited the court's jurisdiction. So now we are going to discuss reason of the conflict. So there are multiple reasons, and one by one we will be discussing. So first is conflict over jurisdiction. So the first conflict over jurisdiction, it says ambiguous law. The court established under the Regulating Act of 1773 had jurisdiction over all British subjects directly or indirectly employed by the company, making it unclear what company officials were doing in their official capacity and what they were doing in private capacity. Next point is expansion of court jurisdiction. The court extended its jurisdiction to all residents of Bengal, Bihar, and Odisha, leading to legal proceedings against the company employee even within the company territory, which angered the executive branch. Next point is executive opposition, that means company opposition, that is threat to administrative control. Court orders such as a habeas corpus challenged the power and control of company officials, including the Governor General, leading to breakdown in administration. Again, next is obstruction of revenue and tax collection. Court intervention also hampered the company revenue collection and tax assessment efforts, resulting in financial losses. In the next point is judicial interference. So, official versus individual status. The court heard private lawsuit against the company officials such as Warren Hastings, even for action performed in their official capacity. The executive branch believed that the officials in their official rule were outside of the court jurisdiction. For example, if if we see the case of Raja Nand Kumar 1775, Nand Kumar accused Warren Hastings of corruption and was subsequently sentenced to death by the court on charges of forgery, verdict widely considered unjust and damaging to the court's reputation. Now, next example is Kasijura cases 1779. This dispute represented the most significant clashes between the court and the council. When the court issued a warrant against the governor general, the council member refused to enforce it, leading to stalemate, and ultimately withdrawal of the cases. So these were the examples, and we here finish the question. So if you have any question, please leave in the comment. I will definitely answer the question. So thanks for watching my channel Mindset Solution.